Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole toast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this delicious and healthy snack. You'll need 2 ripe avocados, 1 fresh lime, and a pinch of salt to start. Don't forget 2 slices of your preferred bread, and if you like a little heat, some red pepper flakes are a great addition. This simple list ensures a flavorful and satisfying result. Now let's get to the heart of the dish, the guacamole. Carefully have your avocados and remove the pits. Scoop all the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Using a fork, mash the avocado until it's as smooth or as chunky as you prefer. A little texture can be nice, but ensure it's spreadable for your toast. With your avocado mashed, it's time to add some vibrant flavor. Squeeze the fresh juice from 1 lime directly over the avocado. This brightens the taste and helps prevent browning. Stir in a pinch of salt, and if you're using them, add your red pepper flakes now. While the flavors meld, toast your bread slices to a perfect golden brown, ensuring they are crisp and ready for topping. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Take your perfectly toasted bread and spread a generous, even layer of your freshly made guacamole onto each slice. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a few more red pepper flakes or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. This makes a fantastic breakfast or snack, packed with healthy fats and flavor. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade guacamole toast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.